account. So guys, for create a MyInteralth account, so guys, you just follow this video. First of all, accessing your MyInteralth portal. For this, simply open and click the option of myinteralth.com into the address bar. Then press and go to the load MyInteralth homepage and locate and click the option of sign in or create account. After that, entering your registration details, enter your full legal name, provide the valid accessible email address, create a strong password, and confirm your password by retrying it accurately. Input any additional required personal information, carefully review and agree to the term of the service and private policies. Then click the option of register or create a button to proceed. After that, account verification and the first login. Then check your email for the verification message from MyInteralth. Then click the option of verification link provided and enter your newly registered email address. Input the password you created during the registration, then click the option of login button to access your dashboard. After that, there is a platform specific notes. So utilize the large screen for easier navigation and ensure the reliable mobile data and the Wi-Fi connection. Use zoom in zoom out feature to accurately see the smaller fields. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.